Slow juicer, Aobosi slow masticating juicer, cold press juicer machines with reverse function, quiet motor, high juice yield with juice jug and brush for cleaning. About this item. Checkmark grapes open black lens bracket multi-purpose for fruits and veggies close black lens bracket. This juicer that can extract various of fruits and vegetables in a few minutes, especially works great for veggies, which allows the juice to maintain its pure color, natural taste, vitamins and nutrients. No dirty hands and no splashing. Only a few seconds, you can drink a cup of juice with little pulp and foam. Rich vitamins can help maintain a good figure and enhance immunity. Suitable for weight loss people, children, the elder. Checkmark tomato open black lens bracket high juice yield and richer nutrition close black lens bracket. Slow masticating juicer can perfectly separate juice and pulp, extracting higher purity juice and preserving higher nutritional value. Our auger spins at 80 rpm, extracts up to 20% more juice and 30% more vitamins and minerals. 80 revolutions per minute lower speed means no heat buildup and less oxidation. Juice cup baffle included can also help to separate juice and pulp further. Checkmark cherry open black lens bracket safe and quiet operation close black lens bracket. Our cold press juicer equipped with intelligent protection chips, making it stop automatically for every 20 minutes operation. AMZCHEF slow masticating juicer bundled with slicer shredder attachments, cold press juicer with silent motor and reverse function, 3 interchangeable blades for juicing and shredding cheese. Visit the AMZCHEF store. Open black lens bracket thoughtful matching close black lens bracket. AMZCHEF is an innovative change from a single function juicer to a set that greatly expands the flexibility of your kitchen tools juicer machines and slicer shredder attachment that saves you space and is a great helper for your cooking. Open black lens bracket less oxidation. Keep fresh close black lens bracket. AMZCHEF juicer has a silent motor and reverse function to reduce oxidation, allowing you to keep the nutrition and natural